This is a librarian. This is a librarian at a gym. A Pokemon gym, that is. Welcome to Pokemon Go, the video game you can play next time you're told to stop playing video games and go outside. It's a free app you can download that uses GPS to put you on a map of your city. Here's me outside the library, and here's me in the game, next to the library. Look at all those Pokemon. You earn points and prizes for walking around your neighborhood and spinning the Pokestops. All 4 of the library's branches are Pokestops, special locations where you get items that help you play the game, like Pokeballs, potions, and berries. But what are Pokemon?
A punchy rock.
A wild, largemouth bat.
An electric mouse. The hills from Mario.
Pokemon are fun fantasy creatures who all just want to be your friend. The goal of the game is to catch Pokemon in Pokeballs and train them. This is your collection, where your Pokemon live once you catch them. You can transfer ones you don't need to earn more candies, so that you can evolve Pokemon into their final forms. Pokemon evolve into different Pokemon, kinda like how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. It's technically the same animal, but not? In the game, you earn candy for every Pokemon you catch, and once you have enough candies, you can evolve your Pokemon or level them up to be stronger. Your Pokedex is a list of all the Pokemon you've seen and caught. It tells you their sizes, habits, and even regional varieties of the same Pokemon. For example, here's Raichu, the evolution of Pikachu, from 2 different regions. Oh? Eggs? Yes, eggs. Don't eat them! There are Pokemon inside! When you walk with an egg, a Pokemon will hatch. The longer an egg requires to hatch, the rarer the Pokemon inside will be. I better not be getting a Magikarp if I've walked 10 kilometers. That's over 6 miles. Of course, Pokemon Go has everyone's favorite bad guys who are bad at being bad. Team Rocket. Use your Pokemon to battle theirs. When you win, you'll get a chance to catch and save their shadow Pokemon that they've captured. One of the best parts of Pokemon Go is playing with your friends. It's so much more fun to go walking with a friend than to go walking alone. You can send gifts to your friends and get cool new items from them. Plus, you can trade Pokemon with them. Some Pokemon only evolve once you trade them, so keep an eye out for those. Once you level up, you can join one of the 3 Pokemon teams: Valor, Mystic, or Instinct. Team Instinct for the win. Buddying up with a real-life friend lets you claim gyms for your team. Leave your Pokemon to defend your team's gym and win rewards. You and your friends can join up to fight raid battles against strong, rare Pokemon. If you win, you'll get a chance to catch them. Now, an interview with a real-life Pokemon Go player.
My name's Jude.
What is your favorite part about the game?
Well, I like the maneuvers in which you can both battle Pokemon and catch Pokemon.
What is your favorite Pokemon?
Okay, that's a really hard question.
Okay.
Because I like them all. I like Kyogre, the big whale. I like Charmander, he's my very favorite. He got me into Pokemon.
Yeah.
I really love Leafeon.
What advice would you give a new player to Pokemon Go who's playing for their first time?
Hit the Pokestops. Never stop.
Never stop, hit the Pokestop. I think that's excellent advice. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
Next time you're at the library, see what Pokemon you can find. Gotta catch them all! You'll get a chance to catch and shave. Please don't shave Pokemon.